Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a canvas to your videos in CapCut PC. So add your video to the first track. If you add it on the second track, it's not going to show, as you can see here. But if I place it on the first track, there is a canvas button that you can click on. It's going to make this video smaller so you guys can see the canvas. So you can choose like a blurred effect for the canvas if you'd like to. You can also choose colors like this, and you can even add in a pattern that they have for you here on CapCut PC, which honestly is still the same. They have not like really updated it since like last year, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that is how you can add canvas to your videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!